The Walmart credit card is actually issued by Capital One, which means there is no separate Walmart versus Capital One approval system. It's the same bank behind both decisions, just different card branding and reward setups. By the end, you'll know how the Walmart card compares to other Capital One cards, who each one is better for, and what actually matters when choosing between them. Here's how it works. First, the Walmart credit card is designed mainly for Walmart spending. That means its strongest value shows up when you shop at Walmart online or in-store. Rewards and perks are built around that type of spending behavior. Capital One cards, on the other hand, are broader. They are designed for general use, so they usually focus on flexible rewards across many categories instead of just one store. Now here's the key difference most people miss. With the Walmart credit card, your rewards are tied heavily to Walmart purchases and how often you shop there. With general Capital One cards, your rewards are spread across everyday spending like gas, groceries, and subscriptions, depending on the card type. That difference changes how useful each card feels in real life. If you mainly shop at Walmart every week, the Walmart card is structured to give you simple, direct value without needing to think about categories or rotating rewards. If your spending is spread across different stores and services, a general Capital One card can feel more flexible because you're not locked into one retailer ecosystem. Another important factor is how you manage credit. Both cards report to the same credit bureaus because they are under Capital One, so payment history and utilization behavior affect your credit the same way. So the decision is less about Walmart versus Capital One, and more about store-specific rewards versus flexible rewards. The key idea is simple. The Walmart credit card is optimized for Walmart shopping, while Capital One general cards are optimized for everyday spending across multiple places. To sum it up, both are issued by Capital One. The Walmart card gives stronger value inside Walmart, and general Capital One cards give more flexibility outside of it. Next step is simple. Look at where most of your monthly spending actually goes before choosing, because that determines which card will give you better long-term value. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, subscribe for straightforward explanations of credit cards and rewards without the confusion.